The RCM Thermokinetics Engineering and Innovation Center offers project-enhancing technologies for industries with ethanol production, sustainable aviation fuel, industrial chemicals, and pharmaceutical applications. The technology solutions used by RCM Thermokinetics in these industries are distillation, evaporation, dehydration and crystallization, and general chemical processing systems. A modular construction approach has been proven to be the most economical and practical solution for these types of technologies and help our customers get their project to production faster and within budget. Modular equipment solutions by RCM Thermokinetics are designed and manufactured in the Buffalo, New York area. Our customers are welcome to review shop progress at any time. At the conclusion of the assembly, the system is tested per applicable mechanical and electrical codes, as well as individual customer requirements. The system is prepared for shipment to the customer's requirements and is on site within days of leaving the shop, ready to be lifted and set into place. The modular system construction approach offers many advantages to the end user. The three biggest drivers when considering modular versus field assembly are overall project cost, project duration, and risk. The project schedule for a modular system can be as much as 50% shorter when compared to a field-assembled system. The construction costs for field-installed systems are typically 30% to 50% higher than a modular construction approach. The modular system design allows the end user to plan for tie point requirements prior to receiving the system. This advanced work simplifies the installation process to an equipment placement phase, followed by piping, utility, and electrical tie-ins. The other installation benefit is that the end user is able to plan exact timing for expensive crane and lifting equipment and scheduling. When you are looking at ways to de-risk your project, modular systems offer many benefits. A modular system is quoted as a fixed-price contract, and all of the project oversight needs is done by RCM Thermokinetics staff. Since the construction of a modular design is done off-site in a controlled environment, the risks associated with field construction are nearly eliminated. The shop assembly gives the customer a first-hand look and feel to piping and equipment access needs. If changes are needed when a client is reviewing the system in the shop, that can be easily facilitated. These changes executed in the field can be very expensive and require schedule extensions. A modular system typically has a reduced footprint, and the goal of a modular design is to incorporate all systems parts and elements within the structure. By designing the system with a space constraint focus, the area required in the plant is optimized. Please reach out to the RCM Thermokinetics team to see how we can help you with your modular process system needs at info@rcmengineeringgroup.com.